Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain basic operations such as cutting and deleting clips. Let's begin! Let's start! First, select the razor tool and click where you want to cut the clip. You can delete the selected clip by switching to the selection tool, selecting the clip, right-clicking, and selecting Clear. If you delete like this, there will be a space in the clip, so drag the clip on the right side to fill the space. You can then cut the clip in the same way by pressing Ctrl plus the letter K on your keyboard. Select the clip to the left and right, cut, and press the Delete key on the keyboard to delete the clip. However, since there is a space between clips like this, you can fill the empty space neatly by selecting Ripple Delete from the right-click menu. In the same way, cut the left and right sides of the clip by pressing Ctrl plus the letter K on your keyboard, and select Ripple Delete from the right-click to delete the clip and fill the space at the same time. In the same way, you can easily perform ripple deletion by cutting the left and right of the clip by pressing Ctrl plus the letter K on your keyboard and pressing the Delete key while holding down the Shift key on the keyboard. Deleting a clip does not mean that the data has actually disappeared, and the deleted data will be restored to its original data by trimming and dragging the edge of the clip. Even if there are multiple gaps between clips in this way, you can fill all the gaps on the timeline at once by selecting Fill Gaps from the sequence on the menu bar. Next, I will explain how to cut only the video and audio while keeping the BGM on the timeline. First, click the A2 track target to turn it off. If you click a clip with the laser tool in this state, only the video clip and audio clip are cut. If you select a clip in this state and select Ripple Delete from the right-click menu, you can delete only the video and audio with BGM as it is. Next, I will explain about track locking. Locking a track will not affect any operations on that track. For example, if you cut both ends of a clip with the laser tool, select a clip, lock only the audio track, and perform ripple deletion. Only the video is deleted in this way. However, now there is a gap between the image and the sound, so a red number indicating the difference between the image and the sound is displayed. To correct this gap, drag the video clip to its original position, drag the edge of the clip, and pull it back to return to the normal state. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.